Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a minute and I feel like this week I will not be able to stay consistent, but I will try my best. And this is how we store milk when you don't have a fridge, but I don't think this is very effective because this milk it wasn't so good and it was a lot of milk. But we are starting our day with cooking some breakfast, and guess what? As you all know, last week we tried to make cheese. Guys, I'm really grateful that this week I'm feeling really good. Last week, oh my goodness, I was really so sick, but I thank God for good health. But we tried to make cheese anyways, and this is what we had. And I had this called cottage cheese or cream cheese, but I thought we just threw it away. But I don't give up. We don't give up here. So I decided again to try cheese, and if it doesn't come out perfectly today, well, I'm not going to be trying to make cheese again. One thing about me, I will give something very many chances, so that when I give up, I'll say I gave it my best. So let's see how today to turn out. I saved as much milk as I can because I don't want this to turn out bad today. I really want this to work out. So fingers crossed for me. You can see the milk was too much. It was just too much, honestly. But that is what I wanted. That is exactly what I needed. And the kitchen is kinda messy. It's just in the morning. Last night we cooked kinda late and we left everything all over. Everything is just all over the table. Oh my goodness. But after breakfast, this is what we do. Yeah, we do the utensils. I think the kitchen is the heart of a home. Like, who can work without eating? You will even fall down because of hunger. And our kitchen has been having a lot of issues, some issues like it's slanted in the middle, as you can see. Like there in the middle it's slanted, and sometimes it can be tiring, like, bending over to cook and other kind of stuff. And I'm really hoping this will be able to make this out, because this is something I've been really waiting for. Yeah. The first thing I'm making is tea. Hey, and I'm making two types of tea: nylon tea, the one that doesn't have tea leaves, and tea with tea leaves. So tea is part of our Kenyan culture. We drink tea every time. We drink tea before we eat. We drink tea after we eat. We drink tea in the morning, in the afternoon, at night. Yeah, it's just a big part of our culture. Chai, we call it chai. What do you call it in wherever you come from? bit moja. Wakitengeneze cheese kwanza. Alafu nioshe hizi vyombo alafu ni edit. Ai, si ndio hii maji ya vyombo inachemka. Sasa kwa nini vyombo zitakaka? Vivian consulted. We were actually going to eat chapati. This chapati we had, I think we've been eating a lot of chapati this season. You know, Christmas is for chapati. And we had it with cabbage and we're going to add that to the tea. It's good. I don't know which is accompanying what, because the breakfast is not an easy breakfast. It is a heavy breakfast. If you've not guessed already, we're actually making mozzarella cheese that we tried last week, and I really want to see if this will work out. I've already started boiling my milk and I'm checking the temperature, and as I told you, it's like my storage method did not work so well because the milk was kinda, what can I say, not so good. And here I'm trying to check the temperature. Once your finger starts to burn, you don't let the milk boil. Once the milk is hot enough to burn your finger, you start putting the vinegar slowly by slowly. And I'm really holding my heart for this. I really want this to work out. Please work out, because if you don't work out today, oh my goodness, we're not doing this again. So as you can see, guys, today there's a glimmer of hope. This actually started coming out the way I wanted. This is what I ordered, and this is what was delivered. You can see it has started creating these big lumps. Then I'm going to cover them for 15 minutes. Oh my goodness. You know, this worked out. Can you see that? Can you see what I'm seeing? This is actually working out, and I went to look for my boyfriend. I really wanted him to see that it's working out after struggling with it the other week. You know, guys, one thing about cooking or making anything for the first time, I think there's always something about food that does not involve knowing the recipe alone. It involves having a certain type of energy that enables you to align everything so perfectly. Like, oh my, do you know how happy I am? Do you know how shocked I am and happy at the same time? And the remaining whatever, I put some salt so that I could start adding that curd I could start adding it back there because I wanted it to be a little bit stretchy. But do you think this step is necessary? Because I don't think it was changing a lot, though there was some bit of change. But I realized the more you put it inside, it kind of gets more wetter. It becomes soggy. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So I don't know if this step is really necessary, but because of how I saw the recipe online, I'm going to follow it that way and see how this will go. And as you can see, it's actually becoming stretchy. I was really, oh my goodness, my heart, if it can be open, you can see how it's jumping with joy. Seeing this working out, wow, I'm really excited to see how this will be on pizza. Yeah. My lovely people, tell me if we made mozzarella cheese because I feel like we did. Oh my goodness, hooray! Drum rolls. I'm so happy this worked out. And I wanted to try it on pizza. It's not over yet until we try it on pizza. So we decided to go to the market and get some of the ingredients like capsicums and all that. And as I told you guys, I've been learning how to ride this motorcycle, and today I really went a big distance with it. This is me on the wheel. Even if it's a motorcycle, this is how you manifest things, honestly. You manifest by actually being in an action that manifests what you want. We actually didn't take much time in the market because we really wanted to be back early, so I didn't get a chance to record. Anyways, here we are back to the house. I left the unga, the dough prepared. As you can see, it's the raisin. It's so much raisin because it had enough time to rise because of the yeast. So I needed it one more time so that it stopped being like that, stop joking, and you knead it and then you flatten it out just like this, and then you put it on a pan. Someone last time told me I made a very fat dough, and I think I repeated that again today. I repeated that again today, but today I cooked both sides. Then I put my tomato paste, I spread it like that. I put my tomato paste slowly by slowly, and here is a proud moment, putting the cheese. I'm really excited to see how this will turn out. And let me tell you guys, cheese tastes much better when it's so fresh. It tastes so good. I thought I didn't like cheese, but this one I can eat like this and finish when it's just like this. So yeah, let's see again how the pizza will turn out. Today we had sausages. I wanted something that would be very quick. Very quick. Yeah, so we're having like vegetable pizza with some sausage. This was our pizza. Okay, I had already eaten it. I don't know, for some reason I did want to record it because I don't think the cheese was stretchy enough on the bread, but today the bread did not burn out. It looked like a real bread, and it was a proud moment, and the pizza was really delicious, even though the cheese did not become a stretchy. So I was deciding whether should I record it or not, but let me just show you because you've been with me from the beginning of the process. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your love. May God bless you. And early Merry Christmas to everyone who celebrates Christmas.